the educated barber, best in the game. Fresh fade, sharp lines, they remember the name. From Myrtle Beach to the world, yeah, I'm running the scene. Come get perfection, let me make you clean. I'm the educated barber, ain't no guessing it, fam. You need the tightest cut, better know who I am. Fade so sharp, they look twice in the mirror. I got that touch that'll make it look clearer. From lineups to locks or a unit that's fresh, I got the skills that'll make you feel blessed. This ain't just a cut, it's experience and art. Every blade, every line, yeah, I set it apart. Corey the barber, best in the game. Fresh fade, sharp lines, they remember the name. From Myrtle Beach to the world, yeah, I'm running the scene. Come get perfection, let me make you clean. The beach knows who's keeping it tight. I'll get your dreads right, whether day or night. Barbershop royalty sitting on the throne. Ain't nobody fresher, this my city, my zone. You want the finest cut, the tightest fade around? Come to Corey where perfection is found. From students to legends, they all know the spot. Step in my chair and I'm making you hot. Every buzz, every clip, got skill in my veins. Been taught, been trained, I'm changing the game. When you leave, you don't walk, you glide with pride. Look in the mirror, see the boss inside. Corey the barber, best in the game. Fresh fade, sharp lines, they remember the name. From Myrtle Beach to the world, yeah, I'm running the scene. Come get perfection, let me make you clean. Myrtle Beach's finest, come see for yourself. Experience the top, don't settle for else. Corey got you covered, from fades to dreads. Step out that door with a crown on your head. Corey the educated barber. Myrtle Beach's finest, come see for yourself. Experience the top, don't settle for else. Corey got you covered, from fades to dreads. Step out that door with a crown on your head. Myrtle Beach's finest, yeah. Myrtle Beach's finest, the beach's finest, yeah. Myrtle Beach's finest, come see for yourself. Experience the top, don't settle for else. Corey got you covered, from fades to dreads. Step out that door with a crown on your head.